You can see what he's wearing is the neck. Shining Light TV London. Pick up your phone and call. This is Shining Light TV London broadcasting the king. You can see the king with his trust. You can see the king. He has changed again. Shining Light TV London. King Olamide, we're going to invite you in our studio in London. We're going to ask you some interview. Shining Light TV London, broadcasting you live in London. As I'm speaking to you right now, I'm broadcasting. I'm going to another kingdom. The way it happened in Mexico. Shining Light. I'm going to different kingdoms. You can see the way it happened in the West. Shining Light TV London. I'm going to make all these kingdoms to meet one another. Shining Light TV London. I'm going to invite Prince Albert to meet the kingdoms in Nigeria. Shining Light TV London. Pick up your phone and call. This is Shining Light TV.